Hey guys, so I am back today with what is in my hospital bag. I've been wanting to film this and I feel like I need to just do it. I'm just chilling. I'm in some pajama pants and a hoodie. Basically, I'm gonna show you guys what I put in for myself, a little bit for my husband, and then for baby girl. Without further ado, let's just get right into it. Okay, so the very first thing I'm gonna show you guys is my actual bag itself. I got it from Target. It's just like a weekender bag, but it's just like ginormous. So I have this thing jam-packed, and I'm sure I'm overpacking and all that good stuff, but I wanted to show you guys the bag itself. I got it for Target for like, I think 45 bucks, but I had gift cards and stuff. So this is the bag that I have. And then I also have another bag that I'll show you that has a couple little extra things in it, but I wanted to keep the other bag empty because I want to be able to bring home some extra stuff that everyone says, like, bring all the goodies back from the hospital and have a bag ready to do that with. This is for me and baby. And yeah, sorry I'm out of breath, but that's what you get for almost 38 weeks. So, all right, I'm gonna just kind of take out everything and kind of lay it on the bed, and then I will show you guys what is inside. Okay, so the very first thing that I brought technology related were two 10-foot long phone chargers because I've heard that's what you want. So one for me, one for Ryan. I have the camera's charger and then one of these little guys because I just don't know if I'm gonna bring the whole tripod or not, but I thought I would bring these. And then of course I will have the actual like end of the wire so that I can actually plug things in, but that's kind of like the tech stuff that we have in there. Okay, the next what I have in there is the Earth Mama organic nipple butter because I've heard so many amazing things about that. I also brought the Earth Mama herb perennial, I'm probably saying that wrong, perineal, I don't know, spray. It's supposed to be really good for down there post baby, but I know that they also supply things as well. And then in this adorable little bag, I have, you're probably gonna be like, okay, that's a lot, but I have a ton of my scrunchies and hairbands. I don't know, like I just have a ton because I just don't know like what I'm gonna want. So I just have a bunch of scrunchies, but I have more like toiletry stuff in my other bags. Okay, now moving on to the little babe. I have an adorable little pink swaddle. Okay, just a fair warning, I'm editing and I'm realizing how annoying I am. There are so many. Oh, it's so little, this, little, that. Ignore all my littles and all the time to say adorable. I apologize. I'm really sorry. About 3 pairs of, or sorry, like I have about 4 different pairs of just socks. I don't know. And then I have a little mitten. These are adorable. They're like these little pink, gray, and white striped little things right here. I have these little booties that go with potentially one of her newborn outfits or her like going home outfits. My sister got me, so it just depends on if like her sizing. I'm sure these would fit, but it goes with an outfit, so I'll show you that in a second. Is what I'm thinking could be a going home outfit. It's adorable and it like is open at the bottom. It's so cute, and it even has a little matching hat. I just think it's adorable. It is a newborn size, so depending on kind of how big she is, that might not fit her. So I wanted to also bring another option, so like that kind of goes together. Sorry for my hands and being so red and swollen and ginormous. I have some other swaddles as well. This one, and then this one as well. So I just thought I'd bring them just in case. And then in the event that she's a little bigger, I have a 0 to 3 month little adorable outfit. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'm really bad at showing this, but it's a little zip up, long sleeve. It has the booties kind of already attached. So I have this as a backup in case she's kind of bigger than that. And I brought a little white hat, a striped little pink hat, this plain one, this one. I have so many, I know. This bow I think is just gonna be way too big for her, but I mean like, come on. So I brought that bow. I brought this little headband. It's like little pink hearts all over it. It's just plain striped white and gray. And I brought, oh, yep, another mittens just in case so she doesn't scratch her face. It's like cute little arrows and stuff like that. Yeah. So then I also have for her, I know I'm probably overpacking, so you don't have to mention it in the comments. I don't know what I'm doing. Then I got this off of Amazon. It's called the Love to Dream Swaddle your, is it what? I don't know. It's a swaddle. Oh, geez, sorry. It's like a little sleeping thing. And it's, I don't know if I'm going to use it at the hospital, but I just figured I'd bring it. I don't know. Maybe she'd like it. I have guys, I don't know what I'm doing. And then I have a couple of just little onesies. This is a newborn size, but it's one of our announcement onesies. And we just love this one. Like, cause my husband loves games. So like player 3 is gonna do the game. 1, 2, 3 of these long sleeve onesies, 0 to 3 months, so that she can have that as well and like swaddle her up and stuff like that. And then put like literally any of the hats with it. So that is what I brought for her. So now moving on to me. I have some of these nipple breast pads. What are these called? I don't even know. Guys, I'm like so not there right now. Oh, I've been zoomed in. I'm like wondering why. Okay, whatever. Anyways, I have these breast pads. Am I getting this wrong? I don't know, but I have some of these. I washed them already. Have them from Kindred Bravely or whatever. And then I ordered a bunch of these like hospital grip socks. So one black, one gray, one lighter gray. And then I got a pair that says, "Baby, you're worth it." I figured I could wear these when I'm actually in labor. That is as far as socks and those things go. As far as nursing stuff, I have these. Oh, these are all about to be from Target, by the way. And I feel like this is completely off center, so I apologize, but this is a nursing sports bra. I thought that would be comfortable. I have one of these nursing bras. It's just like wire free and really comfortable. I have a Medela like nursing tank. Again, I don't know what I'm going to be feeling or what I'm going to want to wear. And I ordered this Kindred Bravely little sleeping bra, nursing bra. And I know that people put like the breast pads or the nursing pads. What are they called? Why can't I think of it? But you know what I'm talking about. Inside as they're sleeping, because this is like meant for like you're sleeping. Okay. So now I just have some maternity black leggings. I figured I'd probably just wear those a ton underneath. I might bring another pair of just comfy pants, but like in the meantime, I'm kind of using them. So if worst case scenario, if these are the only ones I have, then I really don't care. Also, I'm bringing a cardigan. I've heard it's cold in the hospital, and this kind of goes with everything I have. So just a cardigan that I got from Target. I have two kind of nursing tops from, what's it called? Oh geez, I'm like losing my mind. Urban Outfitters, and they look like this. They're really cute. Buttons are functioning, and they're really comfortable and loose, and they're long sleeve, and they're just so soft. And I got that recommended to get them by a blogger. I'll link her list below, but I also, that's kind of like what I based all of this off of for the most part. But I also really loved, she recommended this shirt. She's like living in them because she just had her baby, and they were having a sale and stuff. So I had purchased these because I was like, oh my gosh, I love them. They're so cute, and they also are functioning. So I got these two options. Then I wanted to be that first time mom, and I have my own hospital gown, and these buttons kind of open down in the front for when you want to nurse or skin to skin. Got it off of Amazon. I mean, I don't know, the print's a little bit obnoxious, but I don't know. I kind of wanted to have one because because I thought, I don't know, it's fun, people do it. But I kind of feel a little bit silly. But I also have this. I got it off of Amazon, and it's basically like a dress that you can wear. I thought it was comfy and cute, so I got this as well, just as an option. Then I got these. I can't remember where I got them from. Oh, Pink Blush, which is one of my favorite maternity websites online. And these are like pajamas, and they're so soft. And it's like a big comfy tee. And then these pants that have like really loose drawstring, and then it goes down. It kind of goes into like a little jogger mode, I guess. These were super cute. And then I figured it would be really great for like postpartum and also just in the hospital. So again, really probably overpacking, but that's okay. Thing that I got was this robe, which is so beautiful. It's like my favorite color right now, from Shop Pink Blush, and it has these beautiful detailing on the sleeves and then down at the bottom, and it's just such a gorgeous color, and they had it on sale as well. And I figured cute robe for at the hospital, but then also for post baby. So then I got this also as a gift, and I thought this would be really cute too. So this is a swaddle with a matching hat and then a matching robe for me, and I just thought that was so adorable. So I'm gonna bring that too. I don't know if like I'm gonna get to all of these things, but again, I just thought that was adorable. So we could match and take cute pictures, you know? I don't know. Okay, so here's the extra bag. Now it looks like it's full, but it's really not. It's more of the bobby pillow that I have in here. But I'm gonna be wanting to bring this for, has like our toiletries in there, then the bobby pillow. And then I wanted to have like an extra bag for all like the goodies and things that you guys can like, that you can bring home, that they let you bring like extra diapers and mesh pads or mesh underwear and like those really awesome icy pad things. I don't know, that I've heard a lot about. So I wanted to have like an empty bag so that I can like hopefully bring some of those things home. So I'm gonna show you what I have quickly in here. Okay, so here's my Boppy nursing pillow. Super, super cute design. I need to cut these tags off, but yeah, super, super cute. In here, I have a ton of just toiletries. So, toothbrushes for us, with toothpaste, a loofah for when I want to shower. Each have our own deodorant. Actually, he has another one too. He has his own shampoo and conditioner, and then we'll kind of use and share the body wash. I have my own little shampoo and conditioner, and then some dry shampoo, because if I don't wash my hair, I need that. I have a little mini hand sanitizer. And then in the other one, some Aveeno lotions. I use this on my face all the time. Some Tums, because you just never know. Some Q-tips, my prenatals, which I just keep in here, and then I just take them at night. But I know you still have to take them post baby, so I wanted to have them there as well. Deodorant, which again, I don't know why I'm doing, I should not keep that in there because I just realized I have my own, so I'm just gonna throw that over here. Some Tylenol in case we need them. Again, they might have it there, but I don't know if we have to pay for it or not. I'm not really sure, but thought I'd bring that. I have my stool softener, which is actually currently out, so I need to get more of it. I'm just leaving it in here so I remember. Makeup wipes, more of this Aveeno, which I did not realize I had already gotten. And then I'm going to make sure, I'm just using this right now, but like a little vitamin E plus the belly butter. I've gone back to this because I just figured I don't have much time left, and I love this stuff. I used this in the very beginning, and then I started using the Spoiled Mama brand, which I used for the majority of my pregnancy, and now I'm back to this because I just can quickly get it. I'll just throw in my face wash whenever. I kind of like use things in the morning throughout the week when I'm still at work, and then I put everything back in. So this is just out because obviously it's the weekend. And I'm gonna bring my makeup. I have everything that are my essentials, which it looks so disgusting, but I have like just really just the basics in here. I'm gonna wanna, you know, probably do something. I don't know. I'm just doing stuff in here. They want to bring this as well, but I think I need to like wash it or something. Gotta figure out how to clean it first. But this is on my list to clean and put in there. I've heard really good things about this thing too. So I want to put that in there. I know that they say if you want to bring a hair dryer or something. I'm just honestly thinking I might end up just washing my body, but like doing dry shampoo. But I don't know. So yeah. Oh, and then I forgot. Little protein bar, little kind bar. More so for Ryan than me, but yeah, just a couple little snacks just to have, I guess. Okay, so that is it for what is inside my hospital bag. I know that I really didn't show what Ryan has, but his game plan is to just grab that second because he truly does not need really anything. He can rally with what he has. He doesn't need much. I had to make sure I was prepared, and then for her. So again, I know to some people that might seem like it was a ton of stuff, and that there's a lot that maybe I won't use, which is probably true. But I just wanted to make sure that I had enough. And again, it's my first child, so you always go overboard with your first, right? So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and please let me know what you guys really used from your hospital bag. I'll link the blog that I used for inspiration to help me pack for this. And yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.